All right guys, so now we're gonna add the iron into the lizard stretch. So we're gonna get back into that deep hurdler position, okay? Back leg is straight, not sinking, but straight, butt tight. Now we're gonna add the activation of the hip internal and external rotation on this side. So I'm gonna come right here to demonstrate. What we're gonna start with is the hip external rotation. So what I'm gonna do is put my hand here on the outside of my thigh and knee. From here, I'm going to actively push my knee out against my hand. I'm gonna kind of get to the end range of motion while keeping my foot flat, and I'm really gonna push in with my hand here. Okay, so that's something important to distinguish, is get to your end range of motion first, then add the resistance. Now, from this position, I'm gonna work on internal rotation. So I'm gonna take this arm, jam it in, or even kind of push away like this, but right here, I'm just gonna demonstrate like so. And now I'm gonna draw my knee in. So tighten up, pull the knee in against the arm, and the arm is driving out against the knee. At this point, I'm generating a whole heck of a lot of tension through the hips, and I'm actually feeling more of a hip flexor stretch on this side as opposed to much of a stretch on this side when I do that particular variation. But it's as simple as that. Obviously, when the regular lizard stretch is no longer doing it for you, adding in the active push, the active pull in that position is really gonna take that hip mobility to the next level.